Yeah. What's up, 361? Where you at?
See on you, baby.
It's your boy Tahoe Brown.
Yeah.
Sweat Shack Music, baby.
You know what it
I know this shit's real easy for me, right? Check this out. Yo.
Y'all know what it is.
Ask around, I'm from a town where people talk too much, where everybody knows your biz, but nobody gives a fuck. Haters love to talk down when they see you coming up. I'm the talk of my town, but that really ain't saying much. Population ain't big enough for a taxi cab or a bus. As a kid, I walk around, now cover ground in a truck. 204 pound before 2000 came up. 4 ounces at 50 bucks, then I bounce and re-up. Still holding on to 12 from the last one I ain't touched. Smoke 6 of them up, the other 6 I sell, cuz gotta stick to the script, cause I don't believe in good luck. Hot as fuck in the Ville, better keep your steel tucked. Coppers, just chill while the squeals give us up. Dropping dimes, copping deals so they don't get locked up. Hey yo, I seen hard times, but I ain't never rocked it up. Just in case it crossed your mind, that's why I brought that shit up. I'm a beast on the grind, watch me tear some shit up.
I'm a beast on the ground, watch me tear some shit up.
On these beats I'm a lion, y'all Mufasa's little cubs. Take heed, streets and watch and wait for you to slip up. Making moves with precaution, sleep with one eye shut. Pay dues when you profit and keep a 9 by your gut. Steer clear from queer gossip, all my peers hold they nuts. Nutty of the squirrel turds, yo, somebody clean this up. Yo, I love me some girls, but they ain't a bitch that I trust. I ain't been around the world, but I know I've seen enough. 100-pound dumbbell curl with my stomach cut up. Handheld weight scale when I was trying to come up. Elevated to a digital, fish scale blew up. But the street pharmaceuticals like cuticles get cut. Music's therapeutical, baby mama drama sucks. 2 12s in a cubicle, interior blush. My name reigns superior when you talk to me, look up. Mobsters moving silence, loose lips get stitched up. Last resort's violence unless the hoe is pre-dug. Wanna clash with the titan and get your ass fucked up. Cough up a lung where I'm from, 361.
Cough up a lung where I'm from, 361.
Marijuana grass in a zigzag or a blunt. High expectations every time I spark it up. Meditation is a must, so I puff the cannabis. The Ville's education and school system suck. But if you work for the county, you can drive a new truck. Ask around about me, Tahoe Brown, the rap slut. New king of the South, blueberry sweet in my mouth. Ladies scream and shout when I pull my meat out. Triple beam to a fiend and back to the crack house. My lifestyle's like a rainbow underneath the black cloud. Sounds fucked up, I give you a while to figure it out. Index finger on your brow, my middle finger in your gal. Pull my fiddle out, that's a Texas hold down. Better ask about me, partner, they respect Tahoe Brown. I need a hip-hop doctor, I'm the sickest underground. Float like a butterfly, stick and move now. Sting like a bee, hold it down pound for pound. Still shitting on MCs, call me Ali now. I ain't saying I'm the greatest, even haters love the sound. 10-year hiatus, I was lost but now I'm found. This my second mixtape in 6 months for B-Town. Almost done with the third.
Second one just came out.
Almost done with the third.
Second one just came out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 361, cough up a lung, son. Big shout out.